Hi everyone, my name is Justice Kunedu. Today I'll talk about strategies Walmart can take into Ghana's market. I'm from Ghana, so when this project came up, I was excited to do it on Walmart because I like to see Walmart move to the country because people from Ghana actually know about Walmart and they can't wait to have a Walmart company in the country. So a little bit history, introduction about where Ghana is and economic status. Well, first of all, Ghana is in Africa, the west side of Africa. Um, it's a very decent small country with a population of about 29 million people. The country sits right on the Atlantic Ocean that has Togo to the east, Cote d'Ivoire to the west, and Burkina Faso to the north. The country recently boasts of booming economy because of the new discovery of oil. Now there's a lot of investors coming to the country because of this oil, and it's really helping the economy really um move on. Now, the New York Times actually rated Ghana as one of the fastest growing countries in the world. So this will be a great hit for Walmart to actually target Ghana and have a company, its company over there. um, it'll create a lot of jobs for the people and also intends boost the economy as well. Um, Now a little bit about Walmart. We all know what Walmart is. But Walmart um is indeed the biggest retailer in the world. It has over 11,500 retail units across 28 countries. Now you can't really say that for other competitors like Costco, Target, um, Acme. Walmart is actually in 28 countries, and moving to Ghana will make it 29, which will be great. Um, Over the past 3 years, Walmart has been great for the retail sector. The sectors are really expected to go up to 28 trillion by 2020. Um, Walmart is really Walmart is labeled as the king of physical retail. This is because people like to shop online. That's okay. With the come up of Amazon now, Amazon is seen as an online retailer, comparing to Walmart that have a physical store that people go into and then do the shopping. Now, if you think about the people that actually shop online compared to people that go in store, now even though a lot of people are technology inclined, yet still people like to go to the store to actually see what they are buying. For example, a 65-year-old would rather go to the store than shop online. So overall, Walmart is bigger than Amazon, comparing physical retail to online retail. So there'll be some key analysis that I want to make, um, that can actually determine how successful Walmart will be moving to Ghana. So first of all, we'll do the personal analysis, and then I'll move to Porter's Five Forces, which I believe these two really hold a very good key for a company big as Walmart to move to Ghana. So let's talk about politics. Ghana is one of the biggest democratic countries in Africa. They really base everything on democracy. They have been smooth change of government um, for the past decade, and there have not been no civil wars, no um, no coup d'etats. It's actually um, really big on democracy, and a company like Walmart, looking at its brand, will want to move to a country that is highly democratic and hence will help them be successful. Now, if they move to a country where they're experiencing civil wars, they might lose a lot of stuff because now during civil wars nobody cares about what company it is. They do what they want because they feel they're not being treated fairly. Now that would have made the case for Ghana because Ghana has a smooth transmission of office from president to president. So it will be a great thing for Walmart to look at. Now the economy, as I said earlier on, the discovery of oil has really changed the country. Now the country is growing really fast. Now Walmart has to make a quick decision to join the bunch of investors trying to um, trying to help the country boom its economy. Now, what if Walmart should move to Ghana? They need to before Walmart can actually go into a foreign market, they need to make sure its brand will be protected and the economy is safe for them to enter. Now, if the economy is not stable, they will tend to lose business because they will have to lower further their prices further down, which might, at the long run, make them lose money. Now, let's see the social aspect. Now, there's a lot of social trends. These days, we buy stuff based on the trends, what's going on, as we say, what's popping. Um, so people like to shop, and with Walmart, people in Ghana already know about Walmart, and Ghana actually follows a lot of the Western culture. So with Walmart moving to Ghana, it might set a whole new trend for people to actually shop over there because they see the country online. Now they have it physically to go over there to shop, which might be a new trend for the people over there. So this is something that women need to look at when they want to move over there. Also, the technological aspect. Now, technology is really big on Ghana now. Everybody has a phone, computer, laptop, iPad, name it. Um, you know, it, they can shop online. They can look up stuff online. Now, if Walmart should move to the country now, they need to look at certain ways they can evolve around technology over there. Now over here, there's a lot of stuff Walmart do online, like order pickup in store, um, order receive at home. Now this might take a little bit time for them to set up that system in Ghana because the two countries are not set up the same way. So it'll take time for them to learn and actually um, set up those technological aspects to fit in. Now let's the environment. Environmental wise, now Ghana is actually one of the countries that is trying to go greenish wall. Now Ghana has a lot of timber. They have a lot of trees that they're trying to preserve because they're trying to save um, people. They're trying to save the world from a lot of the pollution that is going on. And countries such as Walmart has less is less pollutant because first of all, it's not a manufacturing company that might blow a lot of fumes. And Walmart does the recycling, so it'll fit in with Ghana's Ghana's style of going green as well. We gotta look at the legal aspect now. With the legal aspect, we gotta think about um the legal setup of the country. Now, Walmart is a free market now. If Walmart should go into Ghana, they're creating more jobs for the people, but they need to also follow the legal protocol, such as taxes wise, maybe certification. Now, if Walmart should go astray from these protocols, now they could face lawsuits and other stuff, which will harm them and then make them lose money. So now let's talk about the Porter's forces as well. Now, with the first of all, talk about the new entrants. Now, it's always at the right now a company big as Walmart. If they should move to Ghana, there will be little companies that are trying to see it come up that might actually want to steal Walmart's ideas and cut, cut corners just to also make name for themselves. Now, you got no matter how big Walmart is, they have to still watch out for these little country. I mean, little companies that's trying to find a come up when they should move into Ghana because it's a growing economy and everybody's trying to get their piece of the cake. And also the bargaining power of the supplier. Now, Walmart has connections with Mexico that they import produce stuff to America that they sell here. Now, when they go to Ghana, they can actually get a cheaper deal over there because Ghana is a big farming country, and they might find like a lot of farmers that might want to deal with them, and also keep their brand's tag of sell them for less. Um, the bargaining power of the buyer. Now, Walmart sells a lot of stuff, and their prices are already low as you can get. So the buyer has little choice, not little choice, but it's affordable. So it wouldn't be necessary for buyers to have problem with purchasing the products from Walmart. Also, you gotta think about the existing firms. Like I said before, ShopRite is already in Ghana, but it's only in the capital. So if Walmart should go to Ghana and have multiple stores in the country, that will be a big deal because now they will overshadow ShopRite, and they wouldn't have to worry about anything that ShopRite does. Also, the substitute of good. Now, Walmart isn't just a grocery store. They have entertainment section, clothing section. So there's always something that you can find to buy at Walmart. So with customers who want other stuff other than groceries, they can also go to Walmart and still get it over there for less. So my recommendation would be Walmart is a big company. They shouldn't have any problem building a company in Ghana. It'll extend its brand, it will promote business, it'll help the country's economy, it will create jobs for people. And the people in Ghana already knows Walmart. And it will be a very easy transition for them to build a company over there because the people will embrace it as already seen online and actually shop over it, and it set a new trend of other people shop in Ghana besides going to just ShopRite. So I think it'll be a better fit for Walmart to invest in Ghana and also help the country's economy go up and also help the people of the country create jobs and then help people have a better life in the country. Thank you.